Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, here we're going to show you how to fix blurry images in WIX. So if you're interested, let's get started. So if you're using blurry images here on WIX, there are going to be a few things that you need to know and you need to do here in order for you to improve that. So in this case, I'm going to go to my editor here. Now I currently have an image. So my image here is fairly simple. It's not that blurry, but it's manageable here. So the first thing that you need to know here is how images work here on WIX. Now, WIX here actually uses the resolution that your images are uploaded. So meaning, like for example, if you have a 800 by 800 pixel image that you uploaded on your WIX website, you'll have that same quality. Now, if you uploaded a poor quality image, like for example, you only like a 100 by 100 pixel image, you uploaded that and started using that in your Wix website, well, obviously, that would also affect the quality, and it will not look great when you resize it into your Wix website. So the first thing or number one rule that you need to do here is you need to make sure that you're using good quality images. So typically when you add images, so just an idea, when I upload one here, and let's go to the image we just recently uploaded, let's go to file info. As you can see, mine is around like 1080 by 1080 pixel, which is fairly good because in this case, this actually is a good and recommended size. So usually for Wix website, a recommended one is the minimum resolution or pixel here or dimension is going to be 200 by 200 pixel, which is, if you're going to ask me, this one is really fairly small already, so it's not going to look good, but it's going to look good, like for example for small thumbnails when you're doing edits here on your Wix website. But for bigger photos, I would recommend you to get use higher quality photos, like for example 1200 by 630. Now if you can use more or higher quality images, you can do that, but make sure to not overdo it. Sometimes that would also affect the speed of your website, so just keep that in mind. But yeah, so just in case if you still want to use that specific image here, there is a tool that you could try using here within Wix. So you could go and just select your image here, click on edit image. Now at the left side, you have the AI image editor here. Now, in this case, you could go ahead and basically select the area. So you could go and select the area you want to change, then describe the image that you would like instead. So in this case, you can change the brush size here, and basically, you could go and select what you want to change on your image. So this will actually also affect the quality of your image. So yeah, so you could try using this one. You also use the generate here. So in this case, use this image as your starting point to get exactly what you're looking for. So it analyzes your images here and regenerates the image that you have. So again, this will or may not improve the quality of your image. So you could try those options. Now, if you don't want to use the the tools already existing here in Wix, you could go and use other tools out there that's online to use AI as well to regenerate and expand or change the resolution of your image. But yeah, so those are things that you could try doing here. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.